Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering the router and modem, then confirm the Wi-Fi LED is active. You need the network name and password now, so have them in front of you. On your laptop or phone, open Wi-Fi settings and turn the adapter on. If a hardware switch or function key controls Wi-Fi, use it. Once done, your device will scan and list nearby SSIDs. Make sure to choose the correct SSID rather than a similarly named network to avoid connecting to the wrong access point. You should now see available SSIDs. Tap or click the one that matches your router. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, and confirm the security type matches the router WPA2 or WPA3. If prompted, accept the network certificate or terms. Once connected, your device may request permission to use the network for profiles like private or public. Choose appropriately for sharing. If connection stalls, update the device's wireless driver or toggle the adapter off. After authentication, verify connectivity by opening a browser or checking the device's assigned IP address. Running a speed test confirms practical throughput. Make sure your device saves the network, and if appropriate, enable auto connect so future access is seamless. Adjust firewall or sharing settings to match your security needs. If something goes wrong, try the classic troubleshooting step. Restart the router and your device, or forget the network and rejoin cleanly. That often clears cached credentials or IP conflicts and restores normal wireless access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.